Okay, you have created a Google form. You have sent the Google form to your students. Your students have completed the form, and now it is time for you to grade the form. So the best thing to do is to open up the form. We're going to grade this form with Flubaroo. But before you grade it, the best thing to do is to open up the form and to go through and to take the form yourself and enter all the correct answers. So you're creating an answer key. And when I do this, instead of typing a name, I just type in key or answer key. If it's a short answer, I actually type in short answer. And I just come through and I answer all of them. Okay, so I close out the form that I just took. Now I come up to View Responses. When I click on View Responses, it's going to open up the spreadsheet of all of my students' responses. Okay, so now I'm in the spreadsheet. Now I have to get the Flubaroo add-on. So I'm going to come down to Get Add-ons. Then I'm going to type in Flubaroo. And here it is right here. So I click on the plus for free. It's going to ask permission to run. I click allow. And as you can see, it's working on my sheet. Okay, so now I go up to add-ons, I go to Flubaroo, and I'm ready to grade the assignment. This first screen pops up and it gives me options for scoring. So if I come down here, the student's name is an identifying factor, the teacher's last name is an identifying factor. I can come down here and I can look. This in the passage the author states, I know this first question is a short answer, so I'm going to grade that one by hand, and I'm going to make that one worth 3 points. I come down, all the rest of them are worth 1 point, and it's just normal grading because they are multiple choice questions. I click continue. Now this is where I choose my answers as the answer key. So I come down through here and I find mine that says key and I click that one. It's going to compare all the answers to my answer key. I click continue. Okay, it is now complete. You can see highlighted right away. The orange questions that are highlighted are the ones that were very low scoring. So if I come down to the bottom, I can see the average of each question type. So anything below 60% is what they consider to be a low scoring question. I wonder why that is. We have to talk about that. And as you can see right now, there's 9 points possible. Right now, the average is 4.49. It counted 73 submissions. There's one low scoring question. Now you notice that this one is empty. This is the one where I was scoring it myself. As you can see, as I put the grades in, you can see how it is recalculating. It's recalculating the average because I'm now scoring this short answer quiz. And that's basically it for Flubaroo. You are now a techspert. You know how to create a Google form, you know how to find the answers that the student submitted in a Google Sheet, and you can now take that Google Sheet and correct those student responses with Flubaroo. Awesome!